Children, today I will teach you the other important topic of the chapter physical education and sports for the children with special needs. The topic of the day is the causes of disability. There are various causes of disability. According to the ages, the severity of the disability changes. It may be genetically determined, environmental determined, or the some others unknown cause of the disability. So I am starting with genetically determined cause of disability. A genetically determined disability is usually inherited from the parents, such as spinal muscular atrophy. What is spinal muscular atrophy? And muscular dystrophy. Second, muscular dystrophy. Abnormalities in genes and genetic inheritance cause intellectual disability in children. Sometimes diseases, illness, and overexposure to the X-ray. What is overexposure to the X-ray? More usage of the X-ray may cause the genetic disorder. What is the spinal muscular atrophy? Spinal muscular atrophy is a genetic disorder. Spinal muscular atrophy is a genetic disorder characterized by weakness and wasting in muscles used for movement. What is? The muscles used for movement. The other genetic cause known by muscular dystrophy. The other types of the genetic cause is muscular dystrophy. It is a group of disease that cause progressive weakness and loss muscle mass. Decrease the mass in our body. We look very thin. In muscular dystrophy, abnormal genes interfere with the production of proteins needed to form healthy muscles. Healthy muscles. An environmentally determined disability results from an accident, injury, disease, or infection. Sometimes a disability is of unknown origin. It is true they happen. Sometimes a disability is of unknown origin. It is true they happen, but the truth might surprise you. There are various types of the unknown cause of disability, such as poverty. Children, poverty is the another major cause of disability. Generally, it is seen that poor persons are the mostly disabled because when we study about the disability arises due to the poverty, we get disabled live and work in the unsafe environment with poor sanitation. Poor sanitation is also the cause of disability. They don't have good living condition. They usually have little access to education, safe drinking water, proper nutrition. The other unknown cause is the accident. Other unknown cause, accident. We don't know about when accident done. Modern world is so fast that accidents may occur anywhere, anytime, and anyone. These accidents may happen at workplace. Accidents may happen at the workplace where we work to get money, popularity, fame, etc. On the roads, when we going to the roads, to the bike, car, bicycle, by foot, or in the air, it may lead to disability. In the air means due to the accident of the planes, or some children are loved to the adventurous activities. They fall prey to accidents. The other unknown cause is malnutrition. What is the cause? Malnutrition. Malnutrition is another significant cause of disability, especially if a child does not get appropriate amount of the nutrition. He or she may be physically weak. Due to the deficiency of nutrition, may be physically weak. So for a good health, calcium, iodine, vitamin, vitamin A, vitamin 12 are important to maintain good health. The other unknown cause is the illness. Other cause is illnesses. Illnesses like cancer, heart attack, diabetes, hypertension, etc. cause a number of long-term disability. Arthritis, back pain, etc. are also significant causes of disability. Some illnesses of the pregnant woman may cause physical or learning problem to her baby when born. The other all known cause, or we can tell very important cause of the disability, lack of education. What is the other cause? Lack of education.